There you have it. Let me correct myself. Ateneo looking for win number 4 in the season because their last game will be on Wednesday still. Right now, they are a set away from that. They have pocketed 2 straight sets. Alyssa Valdez did not play a lot in that second set.
She was pulled out midway. You had Kainlet really work in this second set. She poured in the points.
Saved them in a crucial moment.
UP kept it really close, and that's all they needed. In fact, they had the lead 20-18.
They did.
And 22-20 even. And then suddenly, itong Ateneo, after that timeout by Coach Roger, told the girls to stop, be more aggressive. Intensity, sabi nga ni Coach Roger. That's what he wanted to see from the girls. And Phil Kainlet really took it to heart. And kita mo naman Phil Kainlet going up against 2 blockers, 1 blocker. Even sometimes, ayan, look at that. That's just 1 blocker, but still she delivers the point.
And I love it because there's a couple of middle hits, and then there was one that's cross-court, and then this one off-screen.
Yes, that's right.
So,
may diskarte talaga sa palo.
And again, credit also to Jem Ferrer for the wonderful sets for Phil Kainlet. By the way, Jem celebrated a birthday, I believe, last week.
Happy birthday.
She celebrated a birthday last week.
All right, let's look at the stats. 15 attack points for Ateneo, only 8 for UP. Well, that's better from their previous 4 points in the first set. 2 blocks for Ateneo, 1 service ace. Now, UP with the lead in that department, 2-1. Unforced errors, 11-7. Obviously, you can see it's a much closer set. A better performance for UP. And nakita nga natin itong Ateneo medyo nag-relax nung second set.
And they recovered just in time to save that second set. They're looking to close it out in 3, but we'll see if there's still fight from UP. Disney on Ice, let's celebrate. Special one-time deal. Get up to 50% off selected tickets up to today. Disney on Ice is from 12, that's December 25 to January 3. Buy your tickets now. Call 911-5555. Boom Gonzalez, Ian Laurel, Stephanie C. Tiff Atendido. Third set action, ABS-CBN Sports. Live exclusive coverage of Season 74 of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Penultimate day for the year, at least, before our Christmas break.
Palad now starting off this set for UP. In the second set, she was brought in midway, and now she's starting it.
So still no Alyssa Valdez here for Ateneo. And I had this conversation with one volleyball pundit here at the arena one time. And I know the expectations on Alyssa Valdez and all that. We all know she's a hot shot rookie. We've seen in the off season and now the kind of player that she is. But I did say this team will go where the 4 girls are really going to take them. Alyssa is still, no matter what you say, she's a rookie, new to the UAP, new to this scene, new to the seniors division, and she has still a lot to learn. And that's the positive side, na marami pa siyang matututunan. But this Ateneo team will go where the 4 girls will really take them. Sa kanila yun. I mean, no pressure, diba? Kumbaga, kung ano yung makuha mo kay Alyssa, bonus yun. Kasi makakaramdam din ng pressure yan, di ba? Ang sasalod dyan yung mga veterano. Okay, let's go back to Tiff Atendido from the Ateneo side.
Yes, so I asked Coach Roger Garret how the Lady Notes will be spending their Christmas break, and he said, of course, practice, practice, practice. Now, although some of the girls will be going home to their respective provinces, it's back to the gym conditioning and training after the 26th. Now, a set away from bagging this game, Coach Roger Garret expressing that he's not happy with the errors Lady Eagles have committed in the second set. Simple errors yan, pero malaking epekto niyan. With the girls probably having too much fun, he noted, tawa kayo ng tawa sa court. We have to be more serious and minimize our errors. Coach furiously telling the girls you have an obligation to play. No matter who the opponent is, same level of playing field lahat yan. Masyado tayong kampante sa loob. Kung hindi kayo maglalaro, ipapasok ko nilang lahat ng nasa bench. Boom and Ian.
Sabi nga natin, they did look like they were joking around a bit. And that's still something that they have to learn to keep in check against opponents. Alam mo si Coach Roger Garret, as you know, Ian, has seen it all. Done it all. As Araneta hits the antenna there, I bet you he's looking at the FEU match. He's not overlooking UP, but he's trying to fine-tune everything so that when they get to FEU, mataas yung level nila, no?
Well, alam mo, isa pa, back to your point, no? Another thing that he could be toying around with is that kaya niya pinapahinga si Alisa Valdez para hindi ma-scout ng FEU.
FEU.
Hindi medyo kaya pagpahinga enough in preparation for...
Dahil sinabi ko, nanonood sila.
Ikaw kasi.
Sorry.
Sinabi mo.
Sorry. Okay, let's go to Stephanie C. this time from the UP side.
Gawin nyo yung part nyo, huwag kayo madadala sa kalaban at huwag kayo umasa sa iba, said Coach Jarrod, clearly emphasizing that everybody needs to step up, they have to be alert, and they always have to play their part inside the court. So it's all about working together and putting more effort, because as much as possible, they want to improve their finish from last season, and they cannot afford to lose any more games. At alam ni Coach Jarrod na hindi mangyayari yon kapag wala silang energy at kapag inuunahan na nila sa isip na hindi sila mananalo. Now to the third step, all Coach Jarrod is asking for is that the girls give their best by equipping themselves with mental toughness and by using their heads in the game. Sabi nga niya, huwag nyo pipilitin yung gusto nyong gawin, gamitin nyo yung isip nyo. Ian?
Thank you very much, Steph. All mental reminders again from Coach Jarrod, who has taken over Coach Vipisada this year, who's still on the bench. He's still right here with us.
He's there. Alam mo, ginawa din sa akin yan nung player ako eh.
Alin?
Tinatago ako. Parang isang buong season ako. Sabi ko pa,
sasabihin ko sana.
Bakit? Ina-expect ko sana, pag championship,
lalabas ka
na ako.
Secret weapon, parang ganon.
But natapos na lahat, hindi na kami.
Tinago ka talaga.
Pero I kept a positive mindset. For next year ako tinaas. Well, to those players who don't see that much action, remember that. That might keep you in a positive mood, you know.
Nakapag-championship ka naman. Tatlo ba? Tatlo ba na panalunan?
Tatlo. Pero, yun nga, tinatago
ilan yung totoo doon?
meron akong nasalihan naman doon.
Okay.
In fact, napalaban ko agad yung uniforme ko after kasi pawis na pawis.
Yeah, that's one of the toughest positions to take over. If not probably the toughest. Lalo na if your predecessor was a well-known setter. So we've seen it so many times, di ba? Sa part ng Lasal, di ba? Part ng FEU dati. Part ng Adamson, yung mga gagaling na setter. Ang hirap palitan yung mga yan.
Remember Serafikov?
Yes.
Galing. Oh, that's into the net,
And Nakachi saw that and sent it back. And Ateneo now 8 serving 4. Okay, gulat ako. May technical timeout dapat tayo dito. UP unfolding here in the third. Back in a moment.